I'm Professor Dato Sri Dr. Mike Chan. We start off as researchers, we move into manufacturing, and then we decided we had to do education. So we are one of the early pioneers in education. I started education almost 40 years. And today we have written 60 old books, including one of the latest book. Our recent book was called by the Japanese as the Bible. I formed the world's first stem cell association in USA for the world. Until today, we are the first stem cell association.
This is the aesthetic exosome. It contains almost 2 billion particles per vial.
That is why also our work as aesthetic practitioners, as the professionals in the field, is not just to bring the beauty, but build up this confidence for the patient.